In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text in Murf AI after you've already generated the voiceover. So for example, I'm in the main page right here and I have this voiceover right here. So I'm going to click it so you can see what it sounds like. So it's generating it, and now let me play
So
it.
what if you could create high-quality voiceovers using AI and never pay a fortune for real voiceovers ever again? Sign up for a free account using the link in the description.
So that's what it sounds like. Now, if I wanted to change this, let's say I wanted to change it, let's add some more text here, like, or I can just delete this, let's say. That's my text. And I just changed it. Well, all I have to do is just make the change, click this play button, so it's going to regenerate it. And there you go.
Never
That's
pay a
it.
fortune for real voiceovers ever again. Sign up for a free account using the link in the description.
So you can literally just change the text and then just click the play button to regenerate it, and then you can download it and start using it. So I hope you found that useful, and if you want to start generating voiceovers to test out right now, you can create a free account using the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video.